I think I've made so much progress. Like I'm closing out one of my checking accounts to save on my monthly fees. Like I'm just in such a much better space than I was 4 weeks ago, 5 weeks ago. So I just want to say thank you. And I think I just need the time to really write down all of my list, right? The doings, the haves, and the one day. And I think it really just propel and make that calendar that you want to push me through that much better. So I'm excited about that.
Yeah. We'll have the overarching, this is your life. And then what happens is life happens and sometimes you get knocked off a course, but then you know what you were supposed to do, which means you get to go back to it.
Yeah.
If you know what you were supposed to do, you know what you didn't do. And so you get to go backtrack. Like if I don't have my project day,
yeah,
I know distinctly I don't have my project day, and I know that I've got to double down on it the next week. So that's the idea of having those intentions as we're going to lay them out for you.
Thank you.
Hey, girl, thank you very much. I'll see you in a couple of weeks where we'll be ramping up Friendsgiving.
Yay. Have a great couple weeks. I'll see you. Thank you for your help.